What you need to know on the topic of affiliate marketing. In an odd sense of the word, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest business partnerships to undertake and can be most beneficial to those without an established background with a profitable company. Through this market and the advice offered in this video, you can come away with some nice profits and never need to buy or touch a single product. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. Only keep the affiliates that are extremely profitable, to make the most of your affiliate marketing. Check thoroughly on the performance of all of your affiliates on a regular basis. Try to eliminate the worst affiliates to make room for new ones that will prove more profitable. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. Affiliate programs that offering subscriptions to customers are a great passive income. You can continue to make money for as long as the customer is signed up for the subscription. Read the fine print of your contract, though, as some companies will only pay you for the initial purchase and not for the recurring profit. If profit is your goal, yet you don't have the investment potential to really place yourself in the pocket of a powerful company, then affiliate marketing will be the solution for you. It may not be an easy road, but use this advice and it will be a little smoother to travel. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.